Hello and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and in today's tip show, we're going to look at automating focus modes. Focus modes are a new feature introduced in iOS 15, and they're like Do Not Disturb with all the awesome extra goodness that you might want or need. So if you haven't had a play with them yet, you really ought to take this opportunity to dive in. As well as focus modes allowing you to switch focus, for example, from work to exercise to personal, they can also be involved in automations, both to trigger them and be triggered by them. And that is what we're going to explore today and show you a couple of examples of how you can take advantage of this. I'm just going to start by showing you the focus modes in the settings, because if you're not familiar, this is where you need to go to set up and manage your focus modes and make sure that they turn on automatically when or where it's appropriate for you. In the main area of settings, we have focus. Inside of this, you can see your focus modes. You can control whether or not they're shared across your devices, see which ones are active, and even go and modify them. So for example, right now, I can see my podcasting focus mode is active because I'm recording, and I consider this very similar to a podcast. And if I look at my work focus mode, I can see that this turns on automatically from 9 till 5 on weekdays, and hours, which is a particular location that's the name of the building that I work in when I go into the office. These automations mean that when my work focus mode turns on, I can have something happen automatically, and that will just happen at that particular time of day when my focus mode turns on. Now, if I were to take a quick look at another one of my focus modes, my fitness focus mode, I can see that it turns on automatically when I start a workout and also at a particular location. This location happens to be where I go to take ballet classes. So that means that I automatically enter the right fitness mode. But there's one more thing that I want to happen when I go to ballet class. I want my exercise watch face to be shown, because that's the watch face that, of course, gives me the information I need so that I can easily start a workout. And it serves as a little extra reminder to me to actually do it, because, of course, us humans tend to be forgetful, especially when we're excited to start doing our pliés.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.